According to recent reports, a robbery had occurred in the early hours of the 25th of August 2024 at a petrol pump in Umran, Niangbyrnai within the Ri Bhoi District. The manager and staff were reportedly assaulted and Rs 4,24,614 along with 3 mobile phones were stolen from the premises. On the 1st of September 2024, police apprehended 3 suspects in Dimapur, Nagaland. During the preliminary investigation, the 3 individuals, 25-year-old Bakovi Zimomi, 32-year-old Pashan Lam, and Rokonguli Kepu, confessed to their involvement in the robbery in Umran, Meghalaya. A 4th suspect, currently in the custody of Nagaland Police in Tuan Sang District, is expected to be transferred to Meghalaya Police for court proceedings. Authorities have also seized a Bolero vehicle bearing Nagaland registration number NL07CB0156, which was allegedly used in the crime. A case has been registered against all 4 accused.